This is Advanced Financial Reporting of 1st December 2017. And the first question, explain the benefit of integrated reporting to both an organization and the users of financial statement. Then part B is on group accounting. And this question of part B, they required the gain or loss on disposal of the shares in S Limited on that 1st March 2017. Roman 2, consolidated statement of comprehensive income for the year ended that 1st March 2017. Question 2, with reference to International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 21, impairment of non-cash generating asset, explain three matters in respect of which an entity should disclose each material impairment loss recognized or reversed during the reporting period. Then part B required show how the bonus would be accounted for and reported over the 3 years period ended that 1st December 2016. Then part C required for each of the year ended that 1st October 2016 and that 1st October 2017, determine the actual gains or losses, the net pension cost to be charged in the income statement for each of the 2 years, balances to be reflected in the statement of financial position as at the end of each year. Question 3. Citing three reasons, explain the rationale behind the inclusion of an environmental report in a reporting entity's annual report. Then part B is a question on cash flow. Maneno Group Limited. So in this question, you are required the group statement of cash flows in accordance with International Accounting Standard IAS 7 statement of cash flows for the year ended that 1st October 2017. Then question 4, explain three levels referred above. The levels referred above are International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS 3 fair value measurement establishes a fair value hierarchy that categorizes into three levels the inputs to the valuation techniques used to measure fair value. So now you are required to explain the three levels referred to above. Then part B, required basic earning per share EPS for the year ended that 1st May 2016, and then diluted EPS for the year ended that 1st May 2016. Then when you go to question 5, highlight 6 examples of unethical behavior by the management of business entities which professional accountants should report about. Then part B, with reference to International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS 8 operating segments, outline 4 disclosure requirements for a reportable segment. Roman 2, Roman 2 required segment report as far as the information provided above allows according to International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS 8 operating segments. Let us go to the answers. Let us quickly go to the answers. That is the answer for the first question, benefit of integrated reporting. Then part B, we have the gain on disposal. Then we have a working there, working 1. That working was determining the goodwill. Then we go to Roman 2, the consolidated statement of comprehensive income for W Limited Group. Then we have a working there for unrealized profit. We have working 3 and then we have working 4. Then we have question 2. Those are the suggested answer for part A of question 2. Then we have part B of the employment benefit, how they should be accounted for. We continue to see the actuarial gains or loss. So you first work on plan asset, then you go to the plan obligation, and after that you determine the actuarial gain or loss. Then you go through Roman 2, net pension cost to be charged in the income statement. That is how you compute it. Then Roman 3, balances to be reflected in the statement of financial position as at the end of each year. That is how you compute them. Then question 3, rationale behind inclusion of environmental report. Those are the answers suggested. And then part B on the group cash flow of Maneno Group. So this is a question on the group cash flow, cash from operating activities, changes in working capital, cash flow from investing activity, cash flow from financing activity, up to the cash and cash equivalent at the end of the period. Then we have working 1. Working 1 was trying to determine whether there was any impairment of goodwill, and there is no impairment of goodwill. Then working 2, that is determining the amount of tax paid. Then working 3 was to determine the cash spent in purchasing property, plant, and equipment. Then working 4 is about the dividend, the cash dividends paid by the associate. Working 5, non-controlling interest. So here you are determining the cash, you are determining the cash dividend paid to non-controlling interest. Then working 6 and working 7. Working 7, you are determining the cash paid under the finance risk. Then we go to question 4. 3 levels referred to above. We have level 1, level 2 input, level 3 input. You can go through the explanation. And then part B, the basic EPS. Then diluted EPS. And then question 5, unethical behavior. We have fraudulent behavior, insider trading, bribery and corruption, conflict of interest, exploitation of employees. Then we have part B, operating segment. So these are the disclosures. And then Roman 2, we have the segment report for the year ended that 1st October 2017. And we have the segment report. This is on the statement of financial position. So the segment report as at 31st October 2017, asset and liabilities. So that is it for this paper. Thank you very much, and I'll be attaching a PDF, a combined PDF, once I finish presenting this paper.